So that's another visit to the Ace. Oh. Right, left. So I was speaking to a couple of guys actually, a couple of older fellas. One recognised my accent, and I said where I was actually from, and he actually knew where I was, which I was quite surprised about. His mate was had that VFR, that 1200 that was parked next to me when I pulled up. He was saying we were talking about routing and the joys of the Garmin. And how the Garmin chooses its wiggly routes, and how I come down by all B roads. I think there's a bit of A road, but mostly B. So yeah, I spoke to a local chap that was rides a little Persian 125 auto, and motorcycles can use the bus lanes. It's just something I know I've got to watch out for. Is not all bus lanes allow the use of motorcycles. So I'm now off to go and pick this phone up. Which is the Asus Zenfone 6. Ugh. So I'm going to pick that up from the PR company. So my plan, since I'm here, I wanted to get a bit of sightseeing in. I was going to use Kalimoto, but as I said, what it was saying is the amount of closures that Google Maps was picking up, I did not want to chance it with Kalimoto. So I've just put a few points into Google Maps. One being Buckingham Palace. Huh. Well, that's a clever idea. The only thing he's sort of, that'll save his feet getting a bit wet. But what he's not thought about, because that's an air-cooled bike, and that's restricting quite a bit of airflow. Now the thought in London, you want all the airflow you can get. Yeah, so then it's so I'll go past Buckingham Palace, down the Mall, and then across. That's the plan anyway. I ain't going to play with these scooter lads. These scooter lads are going to be a lot quicker than I am through here. And they probably know where they're going. Ooh, okay, maybe not. Oh god. And he's a foreign truck. Ooh, good luck, mate. Still in the busway. Haha. Push. Last time I was in London, this was blocked off, and Rolling Thunder was here. We had this whole bit shut down. And I'll tell you what, I'm glad I'm on the Honda. If I'm being honest, I'm glad I've not got the Hartford, because the Honda has honestly cracked the power. You can just tap the throttle in third gear, hello, he says, famously, and go. Ooh, these fucking cabbies. Ah, this is what I'm looking for. And this is central London. This is the thing I was looking for. And on my right, is Buckingham Palace. And the Union Jack is up, and I can't remember what that means. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm confused. Oh, I'm just going to sneak across. I'm confused. There's no lights there. And that's Buckingham Palace. 12. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm the only one on the mall, well, minus the ones behind me. Horse guard, horse bill. Old Bill on horseback. Don't see that very often these days. I was hoping to ride through that. There's the London Eye. Bloody hell. There's more coppers here than a fucking flies around a piece of dog shit. Jesus. Nice choice of bike. Huh? Nice choice of bike.
Not my choice, it's the company's choice.
You should thank the company, they're a lovely bike.
They're alright. The seat could be better though.
Yeah, I'll give you that. The seats could be a bit comfier. I've done it'll be 4 hours now down on this today, and it's been fine all the way. All B roads, hence why it's so shit up.
Oh yeah, it's right for that. Good on the petrol.
Yeah, they are, yeah. Oh, I wouldn't mind that as a company bike. Of course I wouldn't. I'm riding one. There's the Houses of Parliament. There's the Houses of Parliament. Victoria Embankment. That's me. That one. Fuck me. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7 paddy wagons. Well, we're on the embankment. I mean, I would look at the state of them tyres. They're on the bold side. Fucking hell, telephone box with a BT phone in it. Oh my god. It's the lifeboats. Good choice. So, I have the phone collected. I think I was there a bit longer than I expected. But I'll give a shout out to Christian. And I hope that if he finds the video, we had just a general conversation. I don't know if anyone else has ever dealt with a PR company, but you normally just deal with them via email. And to actually meet somebody face to face, it's kind of a pleasant change from the norm. So my London tour is vastly coming to an end. It's gone about 3 o'clock. So I'll get a coffee at the bike shed. And then I'll make a head down to Dorking. I get to the hostel, I can start playing with this Z6.